So the first thing we're going to cover today is we're going to cover our defect of the week. So we obviously, as a home inspector company, we come up with a lot of interesting and sometimes funky defects. The one today is something that we come across very regularly, but I have yet to discuss it on any video of our 150 some odd videos or any of our live shows, and that is drain configurations or poor plumbing drains. We come across them all the time, whether they're leaking, they're not leaking, whatever, ventilation issues, there's all kinds of funky stuff, okay? But check this one out. Come on, man. So
some serious craftsmanship there.
Oh my gosh, dude. Yeah, that is somebody going to Menards, talking to the 16-year-old kid. Right. And it's like, hey, man, how can I do this plumbing thing? And he's like, well, you
put
got
these two pieces together.
Yeah. And you can go anywhere with it, man. It bends all over the place. See this? And it's like, holy cow. I really wish they would not even sell these things, you guys. Tammy, bring that back up again for me, would you? Those flexible drains, you guys, every one of those little creases in there is going to leak. I promise you, it's going to leak, okay? Also, if you try to go ahead and stick anything in there to clean it, you're going to jab right through the side of it and just make a worse problem for yourself. What we're talking about when we do PVC drains like that, it's just buying the right pieces, you know?
Right. Wait, something smooth.
Yeah.
Everything's getting caught in those ridges.
Yeah. I mean, if you've ever cleaned out your wife's hair clog out of a drain,
yes.
oh my... Yeah, it's disgusting. But those drains, you guys, the pieces that they make at the store, they make them longer than they need to, and they have a compression fitting on there. You can slide back and forth to give yourself some maneuverability, but still make a good, tight, smooth-walled connection. And it doesn't take a lot, you know. It's just an extra 15 minutes in the aisle, you know, maybe watching a YouTube video or something, you can be an expert pretty quickly, you know. But buying something flexible like that, listening to the 16-year-old kid, nothing against 16-year-old kids at Menards. I'm glad they're working, you know, work hard. But you want to get a little bit better education than that. And when you're doing that kind of stuff for your house, not only is it costing you money to buy that stuff, but now you're going to have to fix it eventually, you know, and do it the right way. Wonder if you had done it the right way in the first time, they wouldn't be having the issue. Also, don't use plumber's dope, pipe dope, you know? Yeah, oh my gosh, that epoxy dope.
They don't use that anymore.
Oh my gosh, they'll mix it up and then they'll shove it in there. Hey, it doesn't leak, you know, or electrical tape or duct tape. I'm like, it doesn't take a lot to do a good plumbing drain.
Little rubber gaskets, all you need.
Yeah, exactly, right? Yeah. But so that is our defect of the week. Hey, thanks for tuning in today, you guys. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to know when we put out the next one, give me a bell notification. It's a little bell on the bottom right-hand side. And subscribe. You want to know when I'm coming out with new stuff or whatever. You want to be able to check us out and be alerted to new video content coming your way. Subscribe button's really the way to go. Thanks again for tuning in, you guys. Remember, the better you take care of your house, better it's going to take care of you. Have a good one.